How to install Moodle on local server. Download WAMP or XAMPP local server. I'm trying to download WAMP server 64-bit pack on my machine. Install the WAMP server from your Downloads folder. Choose your comfort language. Accept the legal agreement. Make sure your PC has visual packages installed and these packages are mandatory for the WAMP server. Give a drive location for your WAMP server. Select the version for PHP and MySQL database. Choose a default browser to access server files, or you can skip by clicking No. Choose a default editor. The WAMP server is installed and is all set. And now make sure your WAMP server is online. You can see a green W icon in the taskbar which shows WAMP server is online. Pre-check your WAMP folder has required files. Download the latest Moodle version from the Moodle official website from the Downloads page. Copy the pack to your WAMP folder. Extract the package and move all the files to a new folder called Moodle 4. Open a browser and install Moodle 4. Choose your comfort language. Confirm the web address and Moodle data folders and click on Next. Choose the database driver and give the required database host name, username, password and database port number and click on Next. Pre-check all the requirements were installed in your PC with an OK status. Create an administrator account for your new Moodle website. Give a title to your Moodle website along with a contact email. This is your Moodle first landing page. Thank you.